Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a staff shifts tab. Now, if you're using a biometric machine for taking your staff attendance, setting up staff shifts is important. So it helps you to track the late and super late remarks and the in and out time of your staff. So for setting up staff shifts, the first thing you need to do is you need to add shifts. Now, shift name can be given according to what you decide. It can be different for different teachers, like for example, like you can see different shift name, or it can be what you can want to give it as. Okay, so let's say I'm giving a morning shift for teachers. So in this way I have added a shift called as teachers morning. Now in that, again, after that I have to go to manage time slots. So first I need to select an academic year. Make sure it's the current academic year, whichever you're using. Then start time, that is when does their shift start. So let's say my teacher's shift starts at 10 a.m. Okay, and when does it end? So I can choose a starting time and ending time for the teacher staff shift. Then after that I can decide which staff shift it is. Is there a break? Okay, if there is a break, you can enter whether there is a break in the between if you the teachers are doing in and out twice. Then again, late minutes. How many minutes after 10 o'clock will be considered as late? So let's say enter late minutes, let's say 10. So at 10:10, it will, after 10:10, if the teacher enters, it will be marked as late. Then how many super late, like after how much time will it be super late minutes? So let's say 20. Okay, now add. Now I've added a shift. Okay, over here you can later edit also the details of the shift. Now manage shift. Now staff type, you can decide which staff type you want. Just do display shifts. Okay, when you click on display shifts, you'll automatically see the shifts for that day. You can also select the staff type. Now let's say I want to do this only for the teachers. Okay, so I've selected the staff type as primary teacher, display shift. Now Monday, in this particular time slot, whichever the teachers are doing this particular shift, I can select all those teachers' names. I'm just selecting 2-3 names. Okay, I can select the teacher's name and click on update. Automatically they'll be assigned to this particular shift. So in this way you can simply click on the edit tab and you can enter the select the teachers' names who are doing this particular shift on that day. Also in case you later on you want to edit the same details, you just have to click on the edit tab and you can untick or add more teachers in the same shift. So in this way you can add a shift, you can create time slots, and you can also assign that to the staff. Now at the same time, if you want to see master shifts, if there are multiple shifts at the same time, you can also see a master shifts. So you'll be able to see all your shifts and all the students. Now in this case we have a shift we created just now from 10 to 5 and who are there in that. So in this way you will also have master shifts if you have multiple staff types and multiple teachers, but you just want to see for Monday what are all the different shifts and which are teachers are there under it. You can see that from master shift. At the same time you can also do staff details also. If you want to see which teachers have been assigned which shifts, then you can see that as well. Okay, so assign shifts, there are 2 days. We assigned one shift on Monday, one shift on Tuesday. So in this way you'll be able to see also how many shifts are assigned to that particular teacher. Okay, so in this way you can add shifts, you can manage time slots, and you can for different staff you can give different shifts on that particular day, and also have late and super late remarks. Now the report of this, that is the in and out time, will be present in the HRM reports tab. Thank you.